Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. Welcome back, my sisters and brother from my different. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your unquestionable support. Thank you for your subscribe. Today, I'm bringing a different face. Yes, airdrops are already fading out. No more airdrops at the moment, so I'm bringing you quality of a different kind. I'm bringing you more material to make you become better. Blockchain is here. Blockchain is the future. Many companies are adapting it. Many companies are opening the door, inviting the blockchain technology and adapting it into their backbone systems. It is important for many of us individuals that are working in the tech field, and not even the tech field. There are many fields that are accepting blockchain that not necessarily you need to be involved into the tech side for you to be dealing with. You have to understand this. It's a very imperative, it's very important that you understand at least basic concept of what blockchain means, what blockchain entails, what is surrounded blockchain. Um, Technology, as times advances, is develops and it keeps changing. And one of the reasons why certain generations are left behind with the new era, with the new technology, with the new perks, is because we just stopped there in that time frame that we were born and that we lived, and we don't update, we don't welcome change. I know change could be uncomfortable for many of us, but it has to be embraced. You have to be open to any change so you can keep updating and keep yourself, you know, moving forward. If you do that, you'll be capable to handle any challenge. You'll be comfortable to any new system and changes that a new um, cycle is bringing to you. Today, I actually want to share with you a course provided by IBM through the EDX system, um, Introduction to Blockchain. Discover why blockchain is such a disruptive force across business, government, and society. Blockchain technology sparked the creation of Bitcoin, a decentralized digital payment system, as well as other popular cryptocurrency systems. Today, industry leaders and experts are picturing radical new ways of using blockchain technology to form connections in the global economy. In this course, you will learn how to design smart contracts, Bitcoin wallets, fabricode, chain SDKs, and more. This course is implemented to be finished around 3 weeks, as long as you provide it, invest of your time in it between 3 to 4 hours per week. It can be finished in a week or so, but you gotta dedicate time to it. It's a self-paced. The progress is at your own speed. And there are two options. It's the free and the one that you get charged. Of course, this video is being the purpose of this video is for to show you the free section of it, because FTC4 production does not bring anything that will cost you something. This is for free. This is a channel that is here to provide you a path that you can take without spending money out of your pocket. Free. That's the main concept. Now, probably there will be certain cases in where I will present to you something that you will buy regardless, because there are many things that we cannot live without it. We just have to do a daily basis. We have it, we use it, and I can bring it to you in a way that you can actually take advantage with it with a discount or something like that. But this course and this material, the purpose of me showing it to you is for show you both options, and you can go with the way you want, but it's the main core to go for the free side, because information is power. And I don't know if many of you have seen the stories. Information used to be withheld by a chunk group of elite individuals back in the time, but that is not the case anymore. Technology is on our side, and thanks to it, we can actually get access to this type of information and more. We just gotta get in. Of course, you cannot catch all the good flight at the John F. Kennedy Airport. So there will be many of them that, unfortunately, due to the nature flow of life, you will be missing a lot of opportunities. This is why I'm here. So some of those that you potentially might miss, I'll bring it to you and share it with you. Of course, I'm not bringing you all of them, but some of the one that I can catch, I can share it so you can take advantage of it, like this course. Later on, I'll show you the two options, but the free is optional. It's an option that I'm here to share with you. There is only one section available, and it's going to start on August 24th. So you still have plenty of time to decide whether you want to go for this course or not, to prepare yourself for it, and you can enroll from it right now. I just bring in this course ahead of time so all of you take advantage of it. About this course, blockchain is constantly evolving technology. Essentially, it is a decentralized, distributed, digital ledger consisting of records called blocks that are used to record transactions across many computers, that enhances reliability and security of transactions. Blockchain technology has improved supply chains and other transaction networks, making it easier to interact and safely transact with others in the digital world. It allows us to rethink how to store, move, and update data on a network. As the first step in IBM's Blockchain Essential Professional Certificate curriculum, this course will guide the student through the basic of blockchain technology and covers the technical and functional components required to construct any blockchain solution using state-of-the-art tools and practices. In this course, you will learn how to design smart contracts, Bitcoin wallets, transactions, fabricode, chain SDKs, and more, as I mentioned before. At a glance, this is, as I mentioned before, this course being provided by IBM through EDX. The The subject is in computer science, of course. This is an introductory level. It doesn't require any prerequisites for you to participate in. Like I was trying to explain, blockchain is becoming second nature, is something that is actually being applied at different type of businesses. It's the future. It's here to stay. So it will be recommendable to many of you to embrace it and start to learn at least the basic concept of it, because you never know what your company will be asking or requiring from you in the future related with blockchain, and it will be a good idea that you have certain basic concept already implemented in your system about it. The language of this course is in English, of course. The video transcript is made in English. Associated programs is a professional certificate in blockchain essential in case you decide that you want to be credited or recognized for you taking this out. You're gonna need to pay a fee for this. What you will learn? Well, the first thing that you're gonna learn is that what blockchain technology is. Of course, we gotta know. I mean, it's the main purpose of this course is to teach you what is blockchain technology about, what distributed ledger systems are, and how they are used in businesses. Also, what you will learn is the foundational principles and business use cases of blockchain technology. Another thing which is really important is that you will be capable to understand how assets are moved on a blockchain network, which is really important. Point 4, you also will be capable to understand the importance of the Linux Foundation's Hyperledger project in driving blockchain optimization across diverse sectors, exemplified by a range of enterprise-ready permissioned blockchain system. And the last thing is you'll be able to understand how to design smart contracts, Bitcoin wallet, transaction fabricode, and chain SDKs and more, which I mentioned this a few times before. About the instructors, these are the instructors which are going to be able to teach you about this system. They are very intelligent individuals, and they have been working on in this field for a long time. You definitely will be capable to enjoy these from these professionals who have been dedicating their lives to technology for a long time. You can actually check them and link in them in some other platform to know about their background, and their biographies are very interesting. Professionals that you definitely will learn a lot from. Way to take this course, this is the part that you have been asking and wondering about. There is a verified track which you will be able to have unlimited access to the material. You will have world-class institutions and universities. You're going to have the EDS support, shareable certificate upon completion. They'll definitely going to give you a certificate that you can actually put in your portfolio, indicating that you definitely took this course and you've sufficient, that you can actually understand the basic principle of blockchain. Graded assignments and exams, which will tell you if you understood the material, will be given to you if you go with the verified track. However, the goal of the FTC for production, as explained before about how information used to be withheld with this chunk of elite individuals in the past, and how we came to get access from it in a free way and no cost thanks to technology. I understand that the main concept of all this is to make sure that you can learn and understand and get this information into your system, which is very powerful, and you're gonna get it for free. If you get it for free, you definitely going to have limited access to the material, but it will expire until September 14, which you have plenty of time to deal with. You also going to have world-class institution and university access to, and you're going to have the EDA support. The only thing that you're not going to have is a certificate, and you're not going to be graded. There could be a possibility that you get graded a little bit, but not as if you will be having a verified track. So if your goal is to learn and understand and keep moving forward and becoming a better person, I would strongly recommend you to get a free audit track, which will help you to get to that point. Now, if you really want to actually put it in your resume, get yourself exposed out there in the field so you can actually find a good job, then you got to pay $149 for this course, which is not the goal of this channel for you at all, but I'm still giving you both options so you follow up from there. I'm going to leave it up to this point. Don't want to feed you with too much intel, but I strongly believe this is a very nice and important course for you to take, so you learn more about blockchain. And I gotta tell you, I know people that invest in crypto money and crypto currencies, and they don't understand what blockchain is. They don't know. This is one of another reason why I brought it up, and I hope that these people who actually follow my channel and deal with crypto, you know who you are. If you're listening to this to this video, and you're looking at it, I hope that you actually take advantage of it and yourself get involved in this course. Of course, if you already took the course or you actually waiting for the 24th to take it, please share with me how did it go, how was your experience in the process of registering, enrolling, what did you learn from it? Do you think that you feel more involved into the blockchain world after taking this course? Anything you want to share that you think it will be substantial for the newbies to come and read it in the future, please don't hesitate to put them in here. Don't forget to subscribe and give me some likes and some love into the channel, because this channel depends on you as well. And remember, this is the people channel, okay? And my goal is to reach 100,000 viewers when I get that YouTube plate, and I'm gonna make a video solely on it when I get it, to give you thanks for your support and your unquestionable loyalty. Thank you for using FTC for production. Good luck, and until the next time.